If you're looking to create professional video courses with ease, LearnWorlds could be a great tool for you. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up your video courses and also explore whether it's the best option for your needs. By the end, you'll not only know how to use LearnWorlds, but also get an inside scoop on better alternatives that could take your course creation to the next level. Let's dive right into it. First, after signing up, you'll land on your LearnWorlds dashboard. This is where all your course creation magic happens. You can start by clicking on Create New Course. Here's the first thing you should do. Choose your course format. You'll see options like video, text, and quizzes, but for a video course, you're going to focus on uploading your content directly. Next thing, let's talk about uploading your video content. In LearnWorlds, you can upload videos directly from your computer or a link from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. The platform supports a range of video formats, so you won't have to worry about compatibility. Once your videos are uploaded, you can edit them within LearnWorlds, trimming unnecessary sections or adding text overlays to emphasize key points. The third thing is about structuring your course. LearnWorlds has a drag-and-drop editor that makes organizing your videos a breeze. You can create modules, lessons, and even add assignments or quizzes to ensure your learners stay engaged. This is where LearnWorlds really shines, creating a seamless learning journey that feels both professional and interactive. Now, let's talk about the next thing, customizing the design. LearnWorlds lets you fully brand your course. You can choose your colors, add logos, and even customize the course player itself to match your brand identity. This flexibility is a great way to make your video courses feel unique and professional. Moving on to the fifth thing, pricing and monetization. With LearnWorlds, you can set a price for your course, offer subscription models, or even create discount coupons. There are also options to integrate with payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. However, compared to other platforms, LearnWorlds' pricing options can feel a bit restrictive, especially if you're just starting out. The sixth thing worth mentioning is the analytics. LearnWorlds gives you detailed insights into how your courses are performing. You can see how many people are watching each video, how much time they're spending on each lesson, and where they might be dropping off. This helps you continuously improve your content and engagement. Now, let's take a step back. While LearnWorlds does offer a lot of useful features, there are some downsides to keep in mind. It's not the most beginner-friendly platform, and its learning curve can be steep, especially if you're not familiar with course-building tools. Also, some users have reported that the user interface could be more intuitive. That said, for those who are experienced or willing to put in the time to learn, LearnWorlds can be a powerful tool. But before you make your decision, here's a quick note. While LearnWorlds is a solid option, I'm going to share a couple of alternatives that might actually serve you better, depending on your goals. These platforms offer more flexibility, user-friendliness, and some unique features that LearnWorlds doesn't have. And the best part? They also come with a free trial, so you can test them out risk-free. Before you go, here's the deal. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to a longer free trial with LearnWorlds, plus some bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. But don't just take my word for it. Make sure to check out these amazing alternatives as well. They might just be the perfect fit for creating your video courses and taking your online teaching to the next level. So, check the link below and start creating your video courses today.